Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Fidelity account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal and financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity website and enter your username and password to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and look for the Security or Security Settings option. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving authentication codes, such as via text message, SMS, or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to verify your choice. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, confirm the changes and save them. You may be asked to enter a code sent to your device to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Fidelity account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.